Intel just made one of the most surprising moves at CES 2026. The company is not only building a new processor, but an entire handheld gaming platform, combining custom silicon, optimized software, and dedicated hardware. If successful, it could reshape the portable gaming landscape for years to come. For decades, Intel dominated desktop and laptop processing. But the handheld gaming segment grew largely without it, fueled by devices like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Lenovo Legion Go. Under the hood, most of that market was powered by AMD. Now, Intel wants in, not as a supporting player, but as a direct competitor. The key difference here is that Intel isn't just releasing another mobile chip. Instead, it confirmed the development of a full platform that includes hardware, system software, and game optimization layers. Think of it as the portable PC ecosystem, but tied together by Intel rather than third-party vendors. At the core of this platform is Intel's new Panther Lake architecture, specifically the Core Ultra Series 3 built on the 18A manufacturing process. This process enables higher performance per watt, better integrated graphics, and improved energy efficiency, all crucial for battery-powered gaming devices. What makes this move especially interesting is that Intel is not simply shrinking laptop chips for handheld usage. Reports reference a dedicated handheld variant, sometimes labeled as a Core G3 configuration, designed specifically for gaming power envelopes ranging from 15 to 30 watts. That places it in direct competition with AMD's Phoenix and Strix families, as well as some NVIDIA low-power modules. On the graphics side, the platform could leverage the Arc B390 XPU, which offers a substantial uplift compared to previous generations, particularly in compute-based workloads and gaming pipelines. Because handhelds operate under strict thermal and power limits, the winner in this market is often determined not by absolute performance, but by performance per watt. This is where Intel could gain an advantage, especially as the 18A node matures. But Intel is not entering an empty field. AMD's upcoming Strix Halo AI chips are expected to deliver major improvements in both compute and AI-driven gaming features. These capabilities can assist in dynamic rendering, frame generation, and hardware-assisted upscaling, meaning better visuals at lower power consumption. NVIDIA is also exploring similar AI-assisted pipelines, especially through its mobile RTX modules and cloud-adjacent gaming strategies. This brings us to one of the most important emerging trends: AI integration in on-device gaming. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it now plays a role in optimizing frame timings, upscaling resolution, improving latency, and handling background tasks that once required brute force hardware. For handheld systems, AI could translate into noticeably improved battery life without sacrificing gameplay fluidity. If Intel delivers on this platform strategy, the next generation of handheld devices could become significantly more capable, more silent, more power efficient, and easier to carry, yet still able to rival mid-tier gaming laptops in performance. And for consumers, more choice means more innovation, more competition, and potentially lower prices for portable gaming hardware. CES 2026 made one thing clear: portable gaming is no longer a niche category. It is becoming a competitive arena for silicon manufacturers, software ecosystems, and OEM partners. Intel's entry could accelerate that shift and spark a new wave of specialized devices optimized for gaming, AI, and mobility. The question now is simple: would you switch to an Intel-powered handheld gaming console? And how soon before major PC titles are tuned specifically for portable platforms? This is AI Pulse Daily, tracking the future of technology and the companies trying to shape it.